Hello everyone, welcome to ICT with Heather. Over the next few weeks we're going to be exploring coding using Scratch. What is Scratch, I hear you say? Scratch is an online forum and app which encourages creative thinking. It uses coding to make stories, animations and games come to life. You can access Scratch using a PC, iPad or phone. What is coding? Coding is all around us. It's used to program all the devices we use and is often a major part of things we experience throughout our everyday life. Watch the video below to see what we can do with Scratch. When the video is played, close the window and continue with the presentation. So, how to find Scratch? There are two ways of finding Scratch. The first is to open Google and type in Scratch. The second is to type in scratch.mit.edu to the internet address bar, or alternatively you can click the link on this page. Welcome to Scratch. When you open the Scratch page, this should be the screen you see. Choose Create from the top bar. There are lots of options to explore, but we will be focusing on Create. Feel free to explore the other areas yourself. Creating with Scratch. By choosing Create, you'll be taken to this screen. It has lots of different areas that we're going to explore. First, there are the codes. These are on the side of the page and they have different coloured dots. In the middle of the page, there's a tutorial. This is a tutorial video explaining how to use Scratch. Once you've watched this video, close the window by pressing the cross. Next, this is where you'll create your code. You can drag and drop the code into the space and you can link them together just like on a jigsaw. This is where you'll see your code in action. Here there's a sprite called a cat. And every time you press your code, that cat will do the action that you've asked it to do. Finally, this area is your sprite control and background tool area. Have fun exploring! Creating your own code. Today is all about exploring what we can do. I'd like you to explore the code for motion and events. Motion code is coloured blue. Events code is coloured yellow. Motion code tells your sprite, the cat in our case, how to move. Events code tells the sprite when to do the motion. Exploring the code. Drag code from the motion and the events menu into the coding box. They should click together like jigsaw pieces. Watch the cat when you click on the code. Does it do what you expect? The green flag in the corner can be used to trigger your code if you use when the green flag is clicked. Challenge time. Can you make the cat move to each corner of the screen? Use code from events and motion menus. You need to be able to make the cat move forward and turn. You'll have to experiment to find out how to change distance or the size of the turn. You could always use lots and lots of move instructions and lots of turns. See what you can do. If you can you work out how to change the cat and make it make a sound? Well done. You've started to explore the first steps in Scratch. If you can, save what you've created and share it with school. Looking forward to seeing what you have created. Next week we'll explore more and hopefully create some moving pictures. Have fun in the meantime playing with Scratch, and I look forward to seeing what we can do together. Bye for now.